Hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of Draw Every Day with JJK. I'm Jarrett J. Krosoczka, and this is my drawing show. Today we're going to be drawing in nature again. And remember, to draw in nature, you don't need to cart your drafting table out into the woods behind your yard. Again, this is just a ridiculous YouTube stunt. All you need is a sketchbook and some nature. If you can safely get to nature, that's one thing. Perhaps that you can't safely get to nature right now. Bring nature into your home via the amazing technology we have at our fingertips by checking out some virtual tours of national parks, or perhaps you can find little bits of nature around your yard and bring it in. Today I'm going to be drawing a contour line drawing. Contour line drawing is when you take a pen, marker, and you make one continuous line to draw your picture. So I see there's a big rock over there with some trees, and I'm going to try to draw this contour line drawing without taking my marker off of the page. Again, remember, observational drawing is all about looking out at your subject as much as you are looking at your page to make constant assessments on where pieces go, how the object fits together. Sometimes I'll take my marker off. It's kind of hard to think that I would keep the marker on there the entire time. All right, well, there is my contour line drawing. Let's take a moment to check in with the pugs. It's time for a little pug cam. All right, as fun as it is to make art alone, it's way more fun to make art together. Let's get a little time together, and we have a little something for you, another exercise. It's time for
Hello everybody and welcome to Family Draw Time.
Hi, welcome Lucky back to the show.
Hello.
All right, today we have found objects from nature, and
Oh, that's broken.
I have a pocket full of googly eyes. So we are going to make little characters.
I'm Bob.
And we have some glue.
Oh no.
Oh no. And we have some glue. And we have a Sharpie.
And we have Bob.
And we have Bob. So let's make Bob the Barkman. Where would you like to put his googly eyes?
Bob
He'll need some
eyes
glue.
Here. Bob eyes here.
Okay, let's see. See if we can get this glue working. Here you go. All right.
Oh!
Oh,
I'm just gonna go like that. So it looks
oh, you can look like that, sure.
I'm Olka now.
Oh,
It's
let's get some of
also
that
now.
glue.
It's Olka now.
Here you go.
Okay.
Nice. Is that his mustache?
No, that's his face.
Oh, awesome. Oh, I see. Look at this one. This one has like a nose right there.
Oh.
Let's get some googly eyes on this one.
Bob knows. Bob knows now.
Okay, ready? Some glue.
No, he needs a nose. He needs a big nose. There's
Nice.
his big nose.
Nice. Some glue. Here. Let's get these googly eyes on. What do you think? This way or this way?
That way. He needs a mustache. This is his mustache. And then this is his face. This is his mouth. Yes.
Idea. Let's see. Some glue. Well, we made little dudes for our yard. This is, who is this?
That's Bob.
That's Bob, and that's Oka.
Oka.
Oka. Voila. Thank you so much, Lucy. I hope you guys have fun with googly eyes and pieces
Bob,
of
I
nature.
love you.
And keep drawing. Check out the awesome artwork that kids sent in. Grown-ups, check out my website,
Why, my hair?
studiojjk.com, to see how you could submit art by your young artists, and check out the awesome artwork that came in. We'll see you soon.
Please click like and subscribe. Keep drawing. See you soon.